All right, what's up, guys? Will here, back with another YouTube video. It's been a while. I hope you guys are having a good, merry holidays. Making sure that you guys are spending time with your family and friends. So we're gonna do a little something different today. We got an unboxing video that I would like you guys to see. But first things first, I gotta go over a few accounting details. And today's sponsored video is Liquid Death. So Severed Lime, I'm a big fan of this stuff. I have it on auto order, and I literally cannot go without it. I'm hopelessly addicted. It is water. I think it's from springs in Sweden or Norway. It's just great. It's delicious. It's flavored, and because it comes in a can, it's also earth friendly. Which is it's a big thing. It's not tap water. Like I said, it's from Norway or I thought it was from Norway, but contains 0% juice. And look at the artwork on this can, guys. Look at the artwork on this can. Let's see here. You see this? This is just some good artworking. It's got 0 protein, which is good. That's good for your health. I really just fell in love with today's sponsor because of their marketing and the marketing material. So if you guys go to Homicidal H2O and use code parole in for life, because you're in for life because you murdered your thirst with Liquid Death water, Severed Lime. I would greatly appreciate that, and just maybe leave them a nice comment. So all right, let's get into the video, guys. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I got this package from Amazon, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So Amazon, they got it here pretty quickly. I think it was 1-day shipping. Guys, how amazing is that? We live in a world nowadays where 1-day shipping. I mean, that's absolutely crazy to me. Can you guys believe that? Oh, the logistics. It's modern day technological evolutions. All right, guys. So I just want to make sure you guys are in focus here, so we can see. We got the camera here, like I said, guys, I'm super excited that I can share this with you guys today. All right, let's put this back. Take a quick drink of our favorite beverage. Murder your thirst. Ugh. All right, guys. Get that out of the way here. There it is, guys. Look at that. It's clay brick. Does look like it has some cracks in it, but I think that's a part of the aesthetic. But it's a good solid brick. Looks like we have some. Looks like it wasn't filtered the best. It looks like we got some particles in there. But that is, guys, that is a good solid clay brick here. I mean, you can do lots of things with the clay brick. I personally, I don't know what I'm going to do with this clay brick yet, but I do have something big planned, and I will I will include you guys in, and I will make a video about it when I do something with this clay brick. But it's, I mean, look at the color on this, guys. This is simply amazing. Look at this. And you know, the thing about this is that if you guys wanted to, you guys could technically go out and make your own clay brick. I ordered this one off of Amazon, like I said, 1-day shipping. It was a very good price, and I'll actually put a link to the offering down in the comment section below. And if you guys order a clay brick using my code or my Amazon affiliate code, I will receive a kickback on that. But you know, it helps the channel grow, guys. All right, so let's just maybe do a little scraping here on this little guy. Oh yeah, this looks like it was made out of some really fine particles. Yeah, you know, this was just meant to be a quick video. I'm just, you know, showing you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing, and there will be a later video to come showing you what I'm gonna do with this clay brick. But guys, this is cool. I'm excited. I'm excited for this, and I wanted to show you guys. So we got big things coming in the future. All right. So with that said, shameless plug. I would like you guys to like, share, and subscribe. We're almost up to a 10 subscribers right now. So I want all 10 of you, if not more, if we can get more in. I would like you guys to see what we do as a community, as a YouTube community, to see where this brick goes, this clay brick. But God, that was probably made out of a good slurry, huh? All right, guys, super excited. I'm gonna sign off. Merry holidays to y'all, and I'll see you guys next year.